Hi, this is Brianna with Nissan of Cookeville. We wanted to make an announcement to those affected by the tornadoes that did come through earlier this week. Due to the severity and the impact it has left on the community, Nissan has offered employee pricing to those affected. In order to get this incentive, you will only have to bring your driver's license, proof of insurance and ownership of the vehicle, along with documentation with your insurance company that a claim has been filed. If there's any kind of questions, our call center is on staff and here to help. We would love to be able to schedule appointments in this scenario so that we can get you in and out of the dealership, as we know that you do have other things to take care of. We're here, as I said, to help any way that we can. We also want to thank all the emergency management teams that are out trying to do search and rescue, recovery, all of those issues. Of course, are very near and dear to our hearts, and we are here for our community. Thank you so much.